Hello everyone, it's Turtle, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a Naruto clay jutsu. And it looks like this. So we have some clay, we throw it out, it drains the chakras, you can see. And if we were to right click, that happens. Mob griefing is turned off right now, so if we input this command and turn it to false. Wait, no, I mean true. And then we throw it again. Right click, that happens. You have a huge explosion. Okay, now how does this work? So first you're gonna have to set up a few scoreboard commands. It's not much. We're gonna start off with the chakra, which is over here. This is just for the display over here in the middle of my screen. You see chakras counting up. But first you wanna have not this one. You're gonna have first you wanna have scoreboard objectives add chakra dummy. Okay, that's just adding the scoreboard. Then scoreboard players add chakra 1, so this is basically causing the chakra to count up every tick, and I think there are 20 ticks in 1 second. Turn this into a repeat command and always active. Now you look at this command. This will be in the description and copy and paste like every other command. It's basically displaying your chakra thing here that's counting up. So you can see the color over there and then the name of it, all that stuff. To reset it, we can just use this command, just reset the chakras scoreboard. So if you press it, we can see that our chakra resets. Now this command over here just prevents you from going into the negatives, because if you're draining your chakra, sometimes it goes in negative. So if your score name, it has to be your name because it only accepts one entity. So chakra matches ... 0. ... 0 means anything below 0. Run score, players reset your name, and then chakra. I think you can do at A. Yeah, at A. Reset at A chakra. But no, you have to do your name, because if you're doing on multiplayer, you don't want to reset other people's chakra too, just because you're low on chakra. Okay, so next we have the actual jutsu. So now you have all the chakra systems set up, so make sure it's up and running like that. We have to make a scoreboard for the clay, so we have to first look at this one right here. So objectives, scoreboard objectives add Ka, because, you know, Datara does this thing where he says Ka every time he does the explosion jutsu, clay jutsu. Minecraft used carrot on a stick. So basically you need to hold a carrot on a stick, and I'm using a texture pack that I made. I made it 1 pixel, so it wouldn't be on my screen that much. So get a carrot on a stick, put it in your offhand. You can get a texture pack so you can't see it, or it's very small, so it won't be in your way. Then we have this one. It's resetting the scoreboard. We have to turn this on repeat and always active. So scoreboard reset Ka. And then we have this kind of long command. So this is basically saying the item is white dye. So you're going to tag it and then tag it to be named bomb. So whenever I throw it on the ground, this one is now named bomb, which leads into this command right here, which is saying if your score, it can only be one person, so you have to change your name if you're doing other people too. If score, my name is TMNTurtle, so if your score chakra, so it's checking if your chakra is 1 or higher, because if you're out of chakra, you can't do any jutsus. If entity, so saying if your chakra is 1 or higher, and if your entity, if the person is holding white dye, run, and then run scoreboard players remove. This is just draining my chakra. You can change this to whatever number you think is right. I put 20. You get 1 chakra per tick, by the way, and this drains 20 chakra per tick. Next, this is a chain command block, so if this turns on, then this will turn on. This is basically the explosion stuff. So execute if score, your name, ka, the scoreboard thing, matches 1. So if you basically back there we did a right click detection. If you right click, your score will become 1. So then they're saying if you right click, it'll become 1, and then if your chakra is above 1, and then at the tag bomb, the white die that you throw on the ground, do this command, summon a creeper at it, and all this NBT stuff. Explosion radius, you can change that to be very small or very large. So for example, if you did 5, that would be devastating probably. Ignited means it's already ignited. Fuse, that's just saying it's gonna instantly blow up. There's no waiting time. Invulnerable, it can't die, and no gravity, you know. So now that explosion radius is 5, let's see what happens. Like that one clay. Before that was free clay, okay? Remember that. So you can make nukes with these if you wanted to. I found this like a very good way to play with friends and stuff. You just like, you can use it strategically, just throw it and then wait till, or hide it somewhere and then wait till your friend comes along and then you can explode it, which I can't right now because you can see my chakra is negative. So you have to wait for that to charge up and then bam. There we go. Yeah, that's how you saw the chakra system work. Anyway, so you can make those really big if you wanted to. And I think that's it for today's video. I found this very interesting. If you want more, then you can subscribe. You can check out my Chidori videos. You can see I made Chidori right there. And my Rasengan videos down in the description below. And that's it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed.